Welcome to a vidéo des ventilateurs du Québec. This is a 1993 SMC Laguna 90 centimeters in white finish with 4 Stencil blades. This would be the Deluxe or Plus version. I'm not sure exactly how they called it. It includes a mushroom light kit with a brass fitter. Still has its original mushroom globe with the 2 gold lines around it. It's essentially the same thing as my 1989 Laguna, except with an included light kit. A lot of SMCs around the early to mid 90s used exactly the same light kit with this brass fitter and the 2 gold lines around the globe, like for example the promo Deluxe and the also the Royal Flush. Here's low speed. This is a very common SMC model. It was sold mostly at Canadian Tire and Sears. They had it, of course, they had many different variations of this model. This is not the last version that existed of it. Later in 1995 or so, they changed the style of the canopy and the mounting. And I believe it remained the same till the very end, which was in 2004. The last year that I remembered it was sold was at Sears in 2004, so it remained unchanged around 1995 to 2004 or so. This specific unit surprisingly performs a lot better than the 1989 model that I have, which is supposedly exactly the same thing, the same motor, the same brackets, the same blades. It's really just the same thing, except it has a light kit included with it, but as you can see, it performs a lot better. It doesn't have much hum to it. It's much quieter than the other one, and it's also much faster. This one does probably here about 120 RPMs, possibly even a little bit more. Essentially, the speed on this specific unit are quite similar to the SMC promo that I have from 1991. So this one is much faster, much more powerful. Here's with the light kit on. Here's medium speed. Being a lot more powerful than the 1989 model, it obviously moves a lot more air. So the air movement is actually quite impressive for a fan of this size. Here's high speed. So medium speed, that was about almost like 200 RPMs, probably like 185, 190 or so. And as you can see, high speed is quite up there. Very, very powerful. Much more powerful than the other one. High speed here is approximately 300 RPMs, possibly even a little bit more at this point. It's when it's close to 300 or more, it's very difficult to tell the actual speed, but it seems to be like pretty much like the high speed of my SMC promo. So yeah, overall very similar speeds to the 1991 promo here, much faster than the 1989 Laguna. Incredible air movement for a fan of this size. With the light on. It's very well balanced. Well, here you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing this 1993 SMC Laguna Deluxe 90 centimeters in white finish with 4 stencil blades. Et voilà, j'espère que ça vous a plu de voir ce SMC Laguna Deluxe 90 cm de 1993 en blanc avec des motifs dorés sur les pales. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.